Good Saturday evening, family. This is Daddy with Simply Me Journey. Well, I haven't done a long video in a while, so I'm just going to give y'all a property update. Okay, y'all, this is, the limestone here, and it comes just past the house a little bit in the front. And so I'm on a walkway to the parking spot where it's to the drive up. So everything is going wonderful. My next project is to get the shed put over my water well. And you see that black pole out there on the ground? Well, I got a light that I'm going to put on that. Air conditioning, it runs great. Keeps the place nice and cool. So my little evening time area there. When I come out some mornings, I may not feel like walking out to the little spot. I just sit here. Sometimes I sit over there. In the morning, I have my little coffee and my little snack or whatever, coffee and pastry. I got to let the windows up soon. Let's see if there was any. Okay, so when I come out that door, I guess that door kind of runs them away. But this is my little hummingbirds area here. I bought some little hummingbird houses. See those things right there? I bought those. They have. Look down and come out. So they went in. They should be out in a minute. When I walk from this area, this pole here, this is an actual tree we painted black. I'm going to put the hummingbird camera there. My storage bin, we made this little, the ramp. We put concrete there to kind of keep the ramp from moving all over the place. And put my little siding on there like the house siding. Yeah, I did that. And we did have to make changes to the storage because there's a lot of water was coming in. So, well, the vents was upside down. Then we had to make adjustments to the lock right there. It wasn't even, so I was having a problem locking it. So we had to make adjustments to that. We also went all the way around the building and we did caulking and added screws. We added a lot of extra screws. See? We added screws and we did caulking. I'm going to show y'all something in a minute. I have sweet potatoes growing. Look at the palm tree. Palm tree has flowers on it. Yeah, I'm going to show y'all something real quick now. I noticed that birds have been getting inside my hummingbird feeders and dying. So when I decided, I said, well, that little hummingbird bird bath, I put it out here by the court. Well, guess what? I started taking the nectar from the hummingbird feeders because of the dead bugs and the dead. Well, it has a couple of dead bees in them. So check this out. This is the hummingbird nectar. I'm not gonna get close. I'm gonna expand this. Be still. Look. All those bees is eating the nectar. Yeah, the bees are eating the nectar. Try to get a little bit closer. Not trying to get too close. And y'all, check it out. Is that something? Yeah, a lot of them. I'm gonna back off there, get away from them. Yeah, birds eating the nectar. I mean, bees eating the nectar. So my garden, this is the back now. So we moved the tarp stuff. Those blue tarps, that's gone. We got this here working behind the shed, which I'm going to get rid of some of that stuff too. And let me show y'all my sweet potato plants. Now I still have a few greens, look like they still want to do something. So I put some fertilizer on the greens the other day. These are my sweet potatoes and this black trout. So the sweet potato plants. Yeah, sweet potatoes. My asparagus. I had to go through them and do some pruning because some had some dead asparagus in there. So, and I am still getting a lot of peppers. That's one thing that's still going on is the peppers. I don't know if this tree is still living or not. I don't know if it's going to survive or not. But anyway, we'll see. This is my lemon. Is this my? This is the lemon on orange tree. Yeah, orange tree. So it's not doing so hot. But anyway, this is time to see my pecan tree. Now the leaves and fell off in that. And this is what it looks like. Side view. I'm loving my little parking spot, which we got to work on those little bricks right there. Got to lever that off, take some of that dirt down, lever it off, and clean it, and then put some more concrete. So you can clearly see that goes up. It's not levering, that's why they cracked and broke apart. And y'all, I'm loving my driveway. I'm loving every moment of it. Okay, there go a hummingbird. Only one. Because it's a two of them. I see two, three. So they coming back. Three over there. Yeah, they coming back. They haven't gotten used to me coming out there. I see 6 out there now. Let me expand so you all can see the hummingbirds coming back around. Let's see. Where are they? There they go. Look at the blue one. Yeah, he's swarming. Yeah, they're coming back out. There was quite a few of them out there. There was like 10 out there just a few minutes ago. And I guess when I opened that door, they ran off. I'm gonna walk away from them and let them have a little time. So, I'm gonna evening walk. I am just, like I said, I'm loving my driveway. No more muddy shoes, no more muddy car. So I'm loving all of that. You know, it takes some time to get your stuff done, but I got us doing like one project at a time pretty much. Because some things, cost some money. So I just try to save so much and then get some done. Save and get some done. So I have not gotten my sewer system put in yet. That's what I'm waiting for. I talked to a guy last week. He's supposed to be coming by. I don't know what's wrong with people. Just, you waste the whole day of waiting for someone that don't have enough, that's professional, and don't have enough common sense to call you back. That's crazy. It's really crazy. So the driveway. And yeah, my little company down there with his mommy. She's home for the weekend. So I'm letting them have their time. I'll go over there probably in the morning sometime. But yeah, this is just very peaceful, quiet out here. I'm loving every moment of it. And I am trying to, hoping that Maxie go ahead and go with his mom for school, because I'm at a point that I'm ready to travel. The weather's cooling off, because I never had any intentions on doing no raising or whatever. Not this long period of time. Never had that intention. But this was pretty much dropped in my lap, and I'm just not going to. I want to live my life and do what I want to do. I didn't retire to take care of a child. No, did not. So I have to do me. I have been looking at different vehicles to travel in. I looked at a Class C, one of them 19 footer. I mean, not 13, 19 footer. Class C. They want too much money for it, and I'm not willing to do that. So I looked at a cargo van, a work van, and I might go Monday and check. I see the thing about, I have not had a chance to put any meat on my barbecue pit, or I have not taken the time out to come out here and burn wood. Just haven't had a time. I put the mulch down on my trees. Y'all see that? And we're gonna do probably one more cut, and I'll be probably this week coming out picking up the sticks and stuff. I'll probably start doing this week, picking up these stray sticks, all the sticks from all over the place. And I did put grass seeds down already, so they probably won't take root to like next spring or whatever. But I put grass seeds all over the place. all over the property. So hopefully next year I have some beautiful green grass that looks just alike, you know. So let me see. Okay, let's see if the hummingbirds are back eating. Okay. Well, I don't see them. I don't see man, because usually this time of the evening they usually be like flocked out there, like really. Yeah, guys, I really, really love my walkway. I really, really love it. We're gonna take them time for the rocks to pack down and all that stuff. Okay, I don't see any hummingbirds. But they was not, yeah, they was out here like really. So this is gonna be my hummingbird little feeding area. And that gray tarp over there, that's my other shed that's gonna go over the water system. Yeah, it's nice and quiet out here. Hey, I was saying earlier that I'm waiting for the guy with the sewer system. I've talked to one guy to do it. He want to charge way over, by $1,200-$1,300 over what everybody else charging, you know. Don't think so. We ain't gonna do that one. Why go and pay you over $1,000 more when everybody else is not charging that high? I ain't gonna do that. No finder's fee with that one. We ain't gonna do that. But yeah, I'm about ready to move on and do some traveling. It's time. Oh, something biting the crap out of my ear. And I wonder if the storage building is. I think it's a lot. I think my storage is a lot. But I was gonna let y'all look at that. But I'm more than sure it's a lot. Sometimes I like, sometimes I don't. Yeah, this my this thing here, my ramp, it feels so much better. It's not shaking and moving around. So we did the concrete thing over the ramp yesterday. Yeah, got that done. So hopefully there goes another hummingbird. I don't know, there's a bee just swarming over me. I don't know what's the problem. Yeah, he just flying out. You gotta go and buy a business before I put that spray on him. I'm not trying to be played by no bee. So, yeah, and eventually, when we can start back burning, I'm going to be burning that stuff over there. Just haven't found anybody. We're going to burn a section at a time, and then also going to burn some of this stuff for them. As soon as they lift their fire ban, we're going to burn. We're going to do some burning. All right, fam, this is Ned's Simple Me Journey. Just want to give y'all a little update on the property, what's going on out here. So I only have 2 projects to go. This water well, put the shed over my water well, and this little light, this pole, got a nice, I think over 1,000 aluminum light. I think it may be way more than that. Put that up, and that's gonna really lighten up this part of the property. Gonna bring a lot of light in this part of the property. When I put this light up here, I've been having that light since the month of May, but just haven't had anyone to put it up. So I seen a armadillo. I think I'm right. Armadillo, one with the hard shells. You know, I seen one out here a couple of nights ago, and baby, that thing dig some holes in the ground. And I'm like, what is this? Yeah, he did quite a few holes in the ground. Well, fam, this is Ned's Simple Me Journey. I want you all to see. I don't know why this bee just flying around me. He better take his behind on. It's a bumblebee. I just seen this, but so I just want you all to see the update on the property, things I've been doing, couple of making changes, and my driveway. I'm not going to put any more money in the driveway other than killing these weeds here and kind of lining this up. Pretty much going to kind of line it. I'm going to do something with this area, probably put some plants here because it's small. I can weed eat that when I have to. So I'm going to do something right there in that little area, and I'm going to continue to line up the edge just all the way on up so they're all be even straight across. Take that, push those back or whatever. Yeah, this bee is getting on my nerves. So, I mean, it's really like just really doing the thing. Now, my place is halfway clean. I just have to mop the dust. I haven't done any mopping and dusting yet in days, so yeah, I'm loving that. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Loving it. And, yeah. So looking like $3 fine at Walmart. I got it because she's pretty. Love her hair and the color matches my cabin. Yep, a dog. Somebody call me. And my slouch. So family, this is Simply Metro. Go and take this call and y'all have a blessed day.